Hi, this is a short video about changing a oil cooler heat exchange on a VW Passat 2 litre petrol 2001. There's a couple of other videos online, not specific to this though. It's 19mm nut holds it on, so once you take the oil filter off, that gives you access to this nut. But taking the nut off is not too bad. It can be accessed from above or underneath the car. Once that comes off, the hardest part is taking off the two clamps for the hoses. Use a selection of mole grips and pliers. Once you've got the nut off though, the heat exchanger can be pulled free in this case, but in order to do that, there's a strut that runs down from the manifold down just short of here onto the clamp just up here. That needs to be removed in order to slide the heat exchanger out. 30mm bolt either end. Once you've slid the manifold strut out, taken that out and moved the heat exchanger out, you can then get access to the clamps, and with a lot of effort you can slide them back and get them off. That's the hardest part done. Then just slide it back on. Make sure that when you seat it, it's fully in and you've got enough thread coming through. Otherwise it can partially seat and you won't be able to get the filter on. It needs to properly seat with at least ½ inch of thread sticking through the other end. Then tighten it up. Good luck. Thanks.